Hi, my name is Marta Nina, and I work with Sozio Fragrances. We are proud to be Partner of the Year this year with the EPA Safer Choice Program. We assist our brand partners, many of whom are here at the ISSA today, with their EPA Safer Choice fragrances. We offer a library of registered fragrances for our partners to choose from, or we offer a custom service where you can choose the safer fragrance that you would like, and we'll be sure to formulate it appropriately for the EPA Safer Choice Program. We create fragrances for your products that are safer for people, pets, and the planet. We create fragrances that make it a little more enjoyable to do the household chores or to clean the industrial and institutional facilities, and a little bit more pleasant for the folks who have to come into the room afterwards. It can smell lovely. We promote the healthier and sustainable cleaning practices of the EPA Safer Choice Program.